Oh my God, that's so good, man.
So fresh.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
a good Italian tomato salad. That's it hot.
Yeah, 100%. Ooh, it's hot.
It's our own mukbang video.
Shall we do some sounds like? Welcome to the garden.
Nice, man. This. Hey, what's up? I see you.
So we're meeting up in the garden today to cook something quick, straight from the garden to the kitchen. I'm gonna light this beast and then we're gonna pick some stuff from the garden.
It's a rare occasion these days that I actually leave the house. So when my good friend Alessandro calls, aka Spicy Moustache, the infamous, the one and only, I come down. I learned so much from this guy. Love gardening, urban gardening, doing things in small spaces. It's crazy. His garden is amazing, and we're gonna cook up a storm with only ingredients from the garden, except for a block of tofu and a lion's mane mushroom that I brought. And I'm honored that we get to break in his new pizza oven that he has right in the garden.
So we're gonna pick some nice juicy tomatoes that we got growing in the greenhouse. This variety, I don't even remember the name. It's called Rose of Burney. Amazing. We're gonna try it out. Look at this amazing tomato. Whoa. So I'm gonna pick a couple of things to have as a snack in the meantime while we wait for the fire to go. And this variety of cucumbers, we can have it as is.
That thing is massive.
What the?
Dude, this basil looks amazing. Let's use some of this. I'm just gonna take the tops off so they continue to grow. Look at that.
So we're gonna remove the spikes with the back of the knife. Super spiky cucumber, nice. We can just cut the back, couple of slices. Wow, this looks so good, nice. A bit of salt, that's the way to have it. Straight from the garden. Whoa.
Super hot. I'm gonna let them cool down a minute. By heating them up like this, it makes them super soft and tender, takes the bite away, and then easier to peel. Easy peasy. And just squeeze it.
With a handful of garlic, a handful of a variety of heirloom tomatoes, I'm just gonna be searing those on a hot cast iron pan right in that hot oven. I also have a nice block of organic tofu, extra firm, and an oversized courgette or zucchini from my US friends that we're just gonna sear in a separate pan with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. That's the only seasoning we're using, keeping it super simple, super delicious.
A little bit of salt. Just gonna shred it apart. that. Let's season these up. This is going in.
That would be an amazing pasta sauce, man.
That looks amazing. Just gonna pop it back in for 1 minute.
Shall we have one of those fresh from the plant?
I've been super psyched to find one of these. I see. Whoa!
Straight from the plant!
Look at that. Nice, look at that.
Whoa, amazing. Thank you, man. I'm gonna try the lion's mane. Whoa! Thank you. Oh my!
Here's a towel. You can use this.
Thank you.
The bread's massive.
The lion's mane are insane.
Yeah. Dude, super good. How's this?
To be able to eat fresh, picked right in the garden, so freaking good.
Really good, man. That's delicious. It's freaking good, though. So good, though. And tofu. Okay, for all those babies out there saying, "Where did the protein?"
I'm dying.
That lion's mane's so good with the tomato juice from before. You
Yeah.
can like taste it.
Yeah,
it
yeah,
almost
yeah.
tastes like it's been stewing in an Italian sauce. or
Exactly.
something.
Yeah, yeah. I think I burned my entire mouth. Yeah, like I cannot feel anything in my mouth right now.
We should probably let it cool down a minute, but you know. So good, yeah.
That's amazing, man.
Doesn't get much better than this.
Yep.
The whole garlic. No, it's so good. No, garlic's good. Tomatoes are good. Courgette's good. Amazing.
My favorite is the lion's mane, man.
Yeah.
So good. Even the parsley insert is perfect.